They claim that, my lord, I'm a managing director of a company. They claim them, my lord, as per my assets and liability at 10,000 rupees. 10,000 rupees.
How much the court has granted?
17,000. I'm a AC mechanic, my lord. I do the servicing of AC and the refrigerators. My lord, she is a BE graduate. She's having a sufficient income and she's having her own house. I'm staying in a rented house.
No, till now you have not received any, even a single pie from 2023.
No, 58 is balanced.
Yes. Check for
Demand of 31,550.
Huh?
31,500.
No more arguments. Either you pay this 1 lakh, whatever it is, lump sum, then only on that ground we will remand the matter. If you don't pay it, then the court will dismiss it. Please tell your client. Get instructions.
Waiting for respondent.
This episodes, how many episodes are over till now?
The last date of hearing, this honorable court has directed whether this writ petition is maintainable or not. The matter was not reached in the afternoon. Again posted.
What is against? Yes.
My lord, there are two applications. My lord.
You wanted to know. No, you wanted to place some judgment that it is
Yes,
maintainable. Please pass on. In a criminal miscellaneous, you filed a review.
I am challenging two orders, my lord. Order passed on IA number 2, calling upon me to pay 17,000. In the meantime,
When is it passed? When is it passed?
the order, my lord, was passed on next year, my lord. On 11 January 2023. That order, I initially, my lord, that order was passed. I did not file my objections, objections and also assets and liability affidavit. Subsequently, my lord, I filed my objections as well as assets and liability application. And also
That is after deciding the application.
after deciding,
Application
after
decided.
application decided.
And
Then also,
any, as far as the second is concerned, that is not maintainable, will not consider that.
beg your,
As far as this other one is concerned, seeking review of the order is concerned, it is not maintainable, will not consider that. Now, what is to be considered is this. To consider this, you have not filed anything before the trial court.
my lord, subsequently I filed my objections.
No, when that order is said, this court is not considering, and there was no occasion for the court to consider your case because you have not filed anything.
My lord, even my lord, para number 9 and 11 of the order, the trial court, family court comes to the conclusion that though the petitioner has not produced any document, however, granted this.
Why I have not produced? I filed my
You
counter.
can respond once he completes. Yes.
So they have not produced any document, my lord, to show that even the trial court, my lord, the family
What he should produce according to you?
they claim that, my lord, I'm a managing director of a company. They claim that, my lord,
Why, who stopped you from placing all that?
my lord, at that point of time, I have not been represented.
About your financial status, you are the right person to place
Yes,
all that, or she should do it?
I have not been,
That was the old story
Yes.
when there was no assets and liabilities,
Yes.
that the burden lies on the wife. No, that's not the case now.
yes, my lord, that point of time, I was not been represented properly, my lord, before the court. I produced the order sheet. Subsequently, I produced all the documents, my lord, before the court to say that what is my income, whether I'm a managing director of a company, whether I have any, I'm a consultant in Polytechnic.
What is your
College.
income now?
My income, my lord, as per my assets and liability at 10,000 rupees. 10,000 rupees.
How much the court has granted?
17,000. I'm a AC mechanic, my lord. I do the servicing of AC and the refrigerators. So therefore, my lord, I filed all the documents before the court. And thereafter, my lord, also filed an application 127, my lord. Please consider, because this is the present scenario, please consider. I'm not saying that I don't want to pay maintenance, my lord, but so far as the child is concerned, 5,000, my lord, undertook before this honorable court also. I'm ready to pay that 5,000 rupees. But so far as the petitioner is concerned, my lord, she is a BE graduate. She's having a sufficient income and she's having her own house. I'm staying in a rented house. So therefore, my lord, requested the court, my lord, based on these circumstances, because I was...
Whenever the advocate changes again, court has to do the re-exercise.
No, I'm not saying that. I'm not putting blame on anybody, my lord.
No, it's not about the blame.
Only thing, my lord.
This is not how it works out. The court has so many other works to do than again hearing your case after giving an opportunity to you and again saying on some other ground you're hearing the same. Then when will the court decide about other cases? This is what is happening in every RPFC, in every matter of maintenance. What you're supposed to do, you don't do before the court. Again, court has to remand. Why this, who will answer to this, the judicial time that is spent on this?
My lord, at that point of time, my lord, this honorable court asked me to file an affidavit, my lord, filed. And also, my lord, I undertook that whatever the time spent, my lord, I'm ready to pay 8,000, 5,000 to the child and 3,000 to the respondent, my lord, till this, my application is decided. So then my learned friend, my lord, said that he is not agreeable to that. Therefore, my lord, I also bought the demand draft, my lord, to the first installment.
First installment?
As per the affidavit, my lord, I agreed to pay amount, my lord, on installments. So far as that concerns, first demand draft also, my lord.
8,000 from the date of petition till now, how much it comes?
It comes, my lord, almost 2 lakh rupees it comes, my lord. Of which, my lord, 50,000 I have deposited. I have filed my affidavit.
I filed my counter affidavit, my lord. Because I'm depending upon the money from the petitioner only. I cannot ask for my parents for everything. I filed my counter affidavit.
No, till now he has not paid you anything.
No, nothing has paid.
That's what, please understand.
He is
Yes.
evading from this. I have every documents produced here also that it shows he is having enough income to give
That the court will
maintenance.
take care.
Yes, my lord.
How much?
My lord, total amount comes, my lord, 2,07,742.
Where is that IA?
Affidavit, my lord, para 8, my lord. Para 8 of my affidavit. Date,
We'll allow this, we'll do it on costs. Apart from what you're going to pay to the wife. Because now, why should we waste time? We have already wasted time here so many times. And court has already wasted its time for you. So it won't come free. It will come on some cost. If it's ready to your client, then we will do it.
some nominal cost, my lord. I'm finding it extremely difficult, my lord.
No, my lordship, he is having so much of income. I have.
I
understand your
He is suffering from starvation.
Yes.
Cannot-
Where is that, your affidavit?
I filed counter affidavit, my lord.
That I'll see. Yes. No, till now, you have not received any, even a single pie from 2023.
No,
50,000.
After this honorable court has ordered, before giving the stay order, ordered for 50,000. Only that 50,000 he has paid.
That's what. So the total amount payable is 2,07,742. Amount paid is 50,000.
That calculation itself is also wrong, my lord.
I'll-
In their affidavit also, paragraph number 7, my lord, they have mentioned.
Please tell the
22
court about the calculation.
Pardon?
What is wrong with the calculation? Please.
Wrong with the calculation is it will come 2,08,000. Instead of that, something change. 7 lakhs, 7.
So let us take it 2,08,000.
300 rupees. 50.
Then in that 50,000 is already paid.
Not
Then,
2,08,000. 80,000.
huh?
2,08,000. 50 he has paid.
Yes.
1,58,000 is balance, my lord.
Yes. Where is the check for DD for how much?
My lord, I'm giving a
I
demand.
don't want any this one cut and cut, my lord, because I cannot manage also myself.
That I'll consider.
Because he has to pay from long time and he is taking further leniency here.
No, this petition is from when? Now the calculation is from when?
Which calculation?
This calculation
From
at
the date
8,000.
from the date
Date of the
of that
application.
order.
From the date of petition.
Yes. I filed during the time of filing the petition only application assets.
Now what will
everything was
happen
filed.
is.
He
now-
was attending the court,
No,
family
if the
court. He was not doing any work.
Now, if the court remands this matter without you taking any amount, is it beneficial to your client?
No, my lord.
Then, if the court is doing it and your client is getting some money, you should accept it.
No.
On
Child is
cause-
there, respondent is there.
No, we'll ask the trial court to decide this issue with all your papers, what all that you are filing. And if there is any suppression, let the court take action against him. Initiate appropriate proceedings against the petitioner. Now, all this exercise, looking at what is right, what is wrong, is this a right document, all that, this court can't do that exercise now.
Yes, ma'am.
So we'll remand it, you take that money, whatever, that 8,000, whatever it is giving, let the court decide. Now the whole thing will be calculated right from the date of
Filing the application.
petition. It will be decided from there on, by the court. Once the court, whatever is the amount determined by the court, it would be from that day and whatever you have taken will be deducted from that.
Yes.
Whatever you have taken will be deducted from that.
Yes.
What is the check for? DD for?
Demand draft 31,550.
Huh?
31,550.
31,000.
550.
Then again, this amount you will do it in part.
That's what I'm.
My
I
lord,
don't want like
my
that,
lord,
my lord.
what way I'm going to pay, my lord?
That
because-
is not, you can't have the both. Either your client pay this 1,58,000 and we will remand the matter. Or if he wants it to be like this, I'll straight away dismiss it, saying that now the court is not inclined to
Yes, I need
exercise the
some
discretion.
time. I need some time, my lord. Only my request, my lord. some
Every
leniency.
time, 1 minute,
Some-
my lord.
Please wait, if both of you argue like this, how the, how?
Oh,
would
my
the
lords,
end,
every time petitioner
please
was
wait,
coming
let it
before the
submit,
court.
Let him complete. Yes.
No, I'm not saying, ma'am, need some time, my lord, because I have
You
produced
had enough time from when this petition is filed.
22,
22,
my
my
lord.
lord. 2 years over.
You had enough time. Even after filing this writ petition also had enough time. How
By
much
keeping
time
the
you
stay
want?
order, he was
And,
not
and
appearing.
first of all, you are enjoying, now you say 8,000, whatever is the admitted amount, why did you not pay till now?
My lord, this was my
The
lord.
council, no more
my
arguments.
lord- my lord-
Either you pay this 1 lakh, whatever it is lump sum, then only on that ground we will remand the matter. If you don't pay it, then the court will dismiss it. Please tell your client, get instructions, will short pass over, ask him.
My lord,
my lord, 2
passed over
days.
means again it will not reach the matter again
My lord,
tomorrow.
Not pass over, short pass over, I
Sir,
said, ask him to get.
2 days time, my lord. I'll just verify, my lord.
No, my lord, again they
2
will
days
evade
time,
from this.
2 days time. Why should I run away, my lord?
Land
I'm
coun- the land counsel for the petitioner submits that he is ready to pay 8,000. And he has already, from the date of petition till now, if the amount is calculated, it comes to 2,08,000 and he has paid 50,000 by way of, as per the order passed by this court. And the remaining amount is 1,58,000.
Of which
Land
this may.
land counsel submits that, petitioner submits that he has a DD for
31,550.
31,500. They give the DD to him. 31,500.
550.
550. He submits that he'll pay the amount if the time is given in some installments and the matter may be remanded to the court. If the petitioner wants the matter to be considered or remanded by the court, he shall pay the entire amount of 1,58,000 or else this court will not remand the matter and will pass order on the merits of the matter. That amount of 38,000, the DD that is for 38,000 is handed over to the
Not
council.
38,000,
31.
31,000.
31,000 so and so is handed over to the land council for the respondent.